Glenn Curtiss was born in 1878 in New York and showed an interest and knack for mechanics at a young age. He established a motorcycle company and began to manufacture his designs to the public. His own Curtiss HPV twin-engine motorcycle engine was used for the first successful dirigible in the United States. Later, he married Lena Neff in 1879 and they had 2 children. By 1907, Curtiss collaborated with inventor Alexander Graham Bell in developing engines for heavier-than-air flight. He was then invited by Bell to join the Aerial Experiment Association that designed the famous Junebug that was flown in the first pre-announced public flight in America. Curtiss flew this machine over 1,000 feet in 1908 without prior flight experience. During the next years, he won the Scientific American Trophy and the $10,000 prize offered by publisher Joseph Pulitzer for his 137-mile flight from Albany to New York City in under 4 hours. In addition, he established a flying school in San Diego, California, to teach Army and Navy personnel how to fly. By 1911, Curtiss sold the U.S. Navy his A-1 Triad, which became the first practical amphibious aircraft with retractable wheels. Europe, Japan, and the U.S. were in high demand for his flying boats. He received a Collier Trophy for the success and ingenious design of this aircraft. Curtiss then produced the renowned JN-4 Jenny, that was primarily used as a training plane and by famous aviators such as Charles Lindbergh. Several variants of the first Curtiss JN-4 Jenny were produced, sought after, and flown for many years. By 1919, the Curtiss NC-4 was flown by the Navy in the first transatlantic flight. He continued to invent machinery in retirement, such as his tailless aircraft with a V-shaped wing and tricycle landing gear. In addition, his company merged with the Wright Brothers Company, the Wright Aeronautical Corporation, which became Curtiss Wright Company. He died in 1930 in New York. Glenn Curtiss's inventive genius lives on to this day, and his designs were used and essential to hundreds of aviators.